What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Lawrence. This is a wire rat terrier, but I think this one specifically is like a terrier chihuahua mix. He sent me this image of a particular type of dog. So, a little pup, 8-week-old Rochelle. These are cute. They're very, they're tiny. So, let's draw this. So, he's kind of like, or she is lying, right? Paws forward, very hairy, right? So a lot of hair in this. It's basically eyes, nose, and then hair. so where to begin? We'll go eyes, right? But the eyes are, there is some spiky hair in front. So when you're doing a line drawing, you know, you got to sort of accommodate the hair a bit. So to begin, we will go for the top eyelid, and the head's kind of tilted, okay? So we'll go sort of spiky for this there, right? So it's kind of like, it looks like an eyelash line, and I guess it kind of is, but it's fur. And then in at the corner where the eye meets the snout, there is hair that comes in, and we kind of have to draw it if we're doing a line, right? So a line drawing. And this just spikes around the snout. Okay, so this is like a little cluster of hair. And then that big black eye, the eyelid, curves around into there. Okay, and then it has like a little sort of skin section around the eye, which kind of like sits around the outside. So you're kind of like tracing again. You're kind of going in around again for that eyelid area. And then we'll leave a bit of just a shine, like a white shine. You could do it with paint afterwards, and we'll color this black. And then there is some, you know, little sort of rim lines for those eyelids and stuff, right? And just as an example, to show that you could do it with paint as well if you wanted, you can go just a little dot there. So white paint or this stuff, Tipex. So very hairy again, sort of around the eye. So there's big eyebrows and fur and everything, right, coming down and around, you know, the cheekbones and everything. Little terrier, right? So the other eye, it's kind of slightly higher up. It's probably in line with the eyebrow on this side, because the head is kind of tilted, right? So we're not like flat across, it's kind of tilted diagonally. And then you got to do more or less the same thing. So we'll go sort of for the eyebrow curve. Right, kind of this sort of hair spike area, and down into here as well. And then a big round eye carving, right? And it kind of gets pointy into here. And then we'll do the little skin around the eye. Then we'll go with these black shines, or white shines and black eyes again. maybe just a little bit of paint just for a little bit extra. Like so. Okay. And then we'll go eyebrow again. So, you know, very hairy, spiky dog. It's all hair coming up the middle and stuff as well. Okay, so that's our dog's eyes. Now you can do as much sort of texture for the fur as you'd like. You could do each individual hair or just like suggest everything. So we'll go down for the snout. So it's just here. It's probably like equal distance. So the distance from the eyes, see that? If you sort of went down about that much, you'd get to the middle of the nose. So you get usually, and not all the time, but usually you have an equal triangle between the eyes and the nose. So you can roughly probably fit 2 eyes across there. So it's probably the same down to the middle of the nose, right? And it's a square little puppy dog nose. Okay. And then we'll go down here. It kind of comes down to a little point around this snout then. And then the nostril, little black hole in there. And then maybe a line up the middle, sort of. So then the top lip, real hairy snout, right? So just like this round sort of terrier snout. Lots of spikes and hair, and there is even some whiskers sticking out here. But we'll just go around for the snout first. Goes all the way up towards the eye. You know, and it even starts to like curve itself in. So under here we have a little black sort of lip area, it looks like. And I will color it black just under the hair, just here. Just give it a bit of a shadow. And then a little hairy chin. I think. It's kind of blended in with their chest, but I'm pretty sure they should have little chins like that. Okay. And there are whiskers as well. We'll just get her cheek. It kind of joins the eyebrow up here. And again, very hairy. Right, and then cheek on this side. And maybe some whiskers. Okay, so the head and ears. So again, very furry. There's all, texture coming around following the head shape. And then there's all little sort of fur lines just coming around from the center of the head here. And then we get these big sort of Chihuahua ears, right? But they are hairy. And then we got to do the hair on the inside of these ears, because it's very furry. There's usually a little edge line just for the pink section, on the inside. Now it's all hairy everywhere, but we just do a shadow in there, a little pinky shadow area in there. And then the other side. Lots of fur, and then fur on the inside of the ear as well. Just lots of spikes. And it kind of comes down that way. Then an inner line, sort of to separate the pink fur from the sort of beige, And that's the head of our wire Chihuahua mix puppy. So tiny body. You can just see like the front sort of shoulder maybe coming down here. There's like some chest fur. So this is like the little shoulder area. The hair kind of splays around the arm here, right? So it goes in kind of different directions here. And the paws come out the front. So we'll go furry for the back. It's just a little fur ball. And I think we can see something of a hind leg, like just back here, like a little sort of bump. I think that's a hind leg, but it's like sitting on a blanket, so it's hard to see. And we'll try and get these front paws. So they're kind of skinny. Little things there. I'll do the toes all at once. I'll just get this other paw in. It's kind of like a little elbow there, I think. We get lots of scratchy fur. Coming down that way. And like fur going different directions on his leg there. Just furry little toes. Can't really see much. Just kind of like that, right? This should be just like how to draw fur. Right, we can just see like just like lots of spiky scratches and stuff because he's just all hair everywhere. Maybe like some blanket lines just to or it could be rock, you know. Bit of a shadow underneath there and it'll look pretty good. Okay, hope it's helpful, Lawrence. Chihuahua Terrier mix. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.